welcome back to Practical Wisdom, where we talk about building wealth, improving your mindset, and living smarter. Today's video is all about one of the most powerful yet overlooked principles of personal finance: paying yourself first. You've probably heard that phrase before in self-help books, podcasts, or from financial gurus. It's even one of the oldest lessons found in The Richest Man in Babylon*. But what does it really mean? Paying yourself first doesn't mean spending money on luxuries or random things that make you feel good in the moment. It means prioritizing your financial future by saving and investing a portion of your income before you pay anyone else, before rent, bills, or even taxes. This concept is simple, but it can completely transform your financial life. So, grab a notebook, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to manage your money like the wealthy do. Money management is both a habit and a skill. Like any habit, it takes time, consistency, and patience to develop. You've probably heard that it takes 14 days to form a habit and 90 days to make it a lifestyle. That might work for daily habits like working out or reading, but not for money. Why? Because you don't handle money every single day. Most people get paid weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. So, in reality, mastering money management can take 6 months to 2 years of consistent practice. Start small. Even saving just 1% of your income can kickstart the habit. The key is to build consistency. Before you try to increase your savings rate. Whether you earn $40,000 or $400,000 a year, your financial habits determine your wealth, not your income. Think about it this way: if you can't save a small portion when you earn less, you won't magically become a saver when you earn more. It's about building that muscle of financial discipline, one paycheck at a time. We live in a world that glorifies high income. Everyone wants to make 6 figures, but very few focus on how much they actually keep. Financial growth isn't about how much money you make, it's about how much you keep and how effectively you multiply it. There are countless stories of athletes, celebrities, and even lottery winners who made millions, only to lose everything within a few years. In fact, studies show that nearly 70% of lottery winners go bankrupt within 5 years of their big win. The reason? They don't understand how to manage money. They spend impulsively, invest in things they don't understand, and fail to track their expenses. The truth is, money management, not income, is what determines your financial freedom. Your ability to live below your means and make your money work for you is the real superpower here. One of the biggest reasons people struggle financially is that they have no idea where their money goes. Most people underestimate how much they spend each month, especially on those small, recurring costs like streaming subscriptions, eating out, and impulse purchases. If you want to take control of your finances, start tracking every single dollar that comes in and goes out. This can be done using apps like Mint or YNAB, or even a simple spreadsheet. Then, categorize your spending into clear groups. Typically, 4 or 5 categories work best. First, your needs. These are the essentials: rent, food, utilities, and healthcare. Second, your wants. These are the non-essentials: entertainment, dining out, and subscriptions. Third, savings. This is money set aside for emergencies or future investments. And fourth, investments. These are the funds you use to actively grow your wealth. Some people also add a 5th category: donations, which can be a vital part of a healthy money mindset. ULLB, absolutely shocked at how many unnecessary expenses you can cut just by tracking and categorizing your spending. This awareness alone can help you save hundreds of dollars every single month. Now, before you start investing, you need an emergency fund. Most financial experts recommend saving enough to cover at least 3 to 6 months of your living expenses. This safety net protects you from unexpected situations like losing your job or dealing with a medical emergency. It's your financial life raft. Once your emergency fund is in place, you can begin investing. Investing is more than just buying stocks or crypto. It's about putting your money to work for you. You can invest in things like index funds and ETFs for long-term, stable growth. You could look into real estate for passive income. Or, you can invest in yourself through education to improve your skills and increase your earning potential. Remember, investing isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building consistent, sustainable wealth over time. Debt can be a powerful tool or a dangerous trap. It all depends on how you use it. Many people associate debt with failure or financial instability, but not all debt is bad. There's a crucial difference between good debt and bad debt. Good debt helps you generate income or grow your assets, like a student loan that leads to a better paying career or a mortgage on a rental property. Bad debt, on the other hand, drains your resources. This is things like high-interest credit card debt or loans used to buy depreciating items. A golden rule is to always pay off your credit card balance in full each month. Late payments and accumulating interest can absolutely destroy your finances. And remember, compounding works both ways. It can multiply your wealth, or it can multiply your debt. If you're disciplined and financially educated, you can use debt strategically, for example, leveraging bank loans to start a business or acquire real estate. But if you lack discipline, debt can ruin your financial health. Here's a useful tip most people don't know. You can actually negotiate with your bank for lower interest rates or better credit card perks. If you simply ask, politely and confidently, you'll often get approved. Financial success isn't just about the numbers on a spreadsheet, it's about your mindset. The wealthy think long-term. They see every dollar as a soldier that can work for them. The middle class, on the other hand, often sees money as something to be spent immediately. Building financial discipline means resisting instant gratification and focusing on future growth. Here's a simple exercise. Before every purchase, ask yourself, will this item make me richer or poorer in the long run? Discipline isn't about depriving yourself, it's about taking control. Once you understand this, you'll realize that money management is a form of freedom, not restriction. So, let's recap the key lessons from today. First, pay yourself first. Save and invest before you spend. Second, track your money. Know exactly where every dollar goes. Third, build an emergency fund to protect yourself from the unexpected. Fourth, use debt wisely. Let it work for you, not against you. And finally, adopt a wealth mindset. Think long-term, not short-term. It doesn't matter how much you make. What truly matters is how much you keep and what you do with it. If you can master these fundamentals, you'll build a solid foundation for your financial freedom. If you found value in this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more practical financial wisdom, and share it with someone who needs to hear this today. Thank you so much for watching. And remember, start small, stay consistent, and your future self will thank you.